Okay, now I have to show you how to draw national symbol picture. It is very easy picture and I think students can draw very easily. If I show this clearly to you, then you can draw. Now first you give some bushes, draw some grass and bush from the beginning. Then you have to draw a big tree like this. And you must draw here a national fruits. Like we know, our national fruits is jackfruit, so it is very important to draw this national fruits picture in this place. This is a jackfruit tree. You can draw another. You can draw okay. First we have to give a line like this way, and then you have to draw a tree, and after this we have to draw some jackfruits on the tree. And this is jackfruit tree, so there is some texture, and jackfruit tree is the different, their leaves is like this. Okay, now we draw here some water lily, because we know the water lily is our national flower, so we have to draw here all national things. And when you draw the national flower, then you must see the composition of the flower. Like draw a big flower, then you draw a small one beside a small one, like this, one by one. Yes. Now we have to draw some house for a long distance, and far distance we can draw some little house here, then it's looking good. So my dear students, see and follow the system, then you can draw very nicely, I think so. Okay, now we can draw some boat. Riverside must have some boat, so we have to draw some boat here. And we also finished. And you must give the sky little bit big, because someone draw the very small sky. Small sky is not looking good, so you have to draw the big sky. And you can draw some village, different type of scenery like tree, coconut tree, and different types of tree in this place. It's looking nice. Okay, we have to finish it quickly, and we are coloring today this picture. Inshallah, after these few minutes we have to color, and we have to give here some paddy field, like farmers are working in the field like this. You can draw. So that's all students, our drawing almost finished. Then now you can color this picture, and you can draw here in on dark, just swimming in the water. Okay, that's all. We'll draw here some grass. That's all. Now we have to color this picture. Now this is complete picture. We have to now color this picture 2 minutes.